Hey YouTube, what is going on? I want to try and give you a quick update. 1 week in, I'm actually a little over a week because I think I thought I was going to do this as a Wellness Wednesday, which I'm going to have a new kind of thing every Wednesday. I want to do something in regard to wellness out there. Just because as I've been getting older, I've been trying a lot of things and I just want to stay feeling good. So anyways, if that's something you feel, check out the channel because starting on Wednesdays, I'm going to try and do subjects like cold showers, the peptide thing that I'm going to give you an update about today, the vitamins that I take, the meals that I take, the diet that I basically started a year ago that basically I feel like saved my life. Basically a version of Whole30. But so anyways, let's go right into the BPC-157 from Limitless. I am very happy with it. The thing about BPC is it's like, how do you really track it? Blood tests, this and that. If this is a study of just me, you know what I mean? This is not like so you have to take it for what it is and realize that, do I feel better? Yes. So 1 week in, I basically, my shoulder has always had an impingement. I do the PT and stuff like that, but I do feel like, there was almost like damage in there that was stopping me from doing any of the push-ups that I normally do. Now, at my peak, probably a month ago, I was probably doing 80 to 90 push-ups, in one kind of click. When I really pulled my shoulder, I basically would put weight on my arm and then I just knew that I could not even do, 10 push-ups at that point. So the other thing was my back, I tweaked while doing some heavy leg pressing and some, that doesn't matter anyways. It's bench, kneeling over bench rows and stuff like that. But anyways, now, today, I did 40 push-ups, and I feel like I can keep going, but I'm trying to ease back into it. And the thing is like, everybody at some point, it's like if you're doing the right things, icing, you're going to get better. So you don't know if it's the BPC or if it's everything else you're doing. Now, I will tell you this, with my lower back, when I tweaked it, normally I have done that in the past, and it's a week and a half, sometimes 2 weeks, that I'm kind of have to do a little roll out of bed. Once I started taking this, 2 days later, I did not, I was basically felt like it was almost gone and completely mended. So take it for what it is. I'm buying 1 more week. Now, oral, you do your own research, oral and injectable, they say with BPC it works because the BPC comes from gastric juices. And the oral can also help with some gut stuff too, which I have a lot of food allergies. So I have, that basically was an easy decision for me to try and take this. So I don't want to go on and on because I'm going to have a little update for you weekly, but I'm actually buying another bottle of this because I feel good about it. I also feel good about Limitless. I'm going to put a link in the description with a referral code. You can probably get, I don't know if it's 10 or 15% off when you use it, but check it out if you want to give it a try. Nick Urban and Jay Campbell are basically the places that I look to find a trustworthy site. But yeah, that's it. I'm gonna cut it right there so that we're under 5 minutes. And I just want to say thank you guys for listening, and I'll keep you guys updated on a weekly basis on this. Like I said, I'm going to do a total of 8 weeks because I'm going to buy another bottle of this because I feel good about it. And that's it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I'd love to see you subscribe. I have automotive content. I've got homeowner how-to videos, and now I'm going to be doing health and wellness. And so that is it, guys. Boston Joe, over and out.